Good morning, traders. It's Friday, May 1st at 4:16 a.m. All right, earnings are in full swing. So I've got two stocks for you today. We've got Western Digital, WDC, making hard drives, and then we've got Reddit. Both of those, well, Western Digital pulled back a bit and then Reddit took right off. So let's go ahead and have a look and see what's happening here. This is the largest trade since March. This is 60 days going back, and we can see back here that we have this consolidation of prints all around here: 400K, 300K, 200K, 200K. So, we've got this starting way back here. We upthrusted, more prints pulled back to the print and started moving up through the print. So a bit of waning volume breaking through, and then we're on a tear. Looks like they added to their position here. Coming into earnings, we had this increasing volume pulled back, tagged the print. My 15 exponential moving average moved up, and then 2 days before earnings, we got this 200K print. We've pulled back to this print here at 398 level, or 402, 535K. So we're sitting there at the moment. So we've pulled back. Let's see if this holds. So let's map this out. Now, this is something I want to point out, how strong these prints are. So if we look at that post market, we see that we tagged this 535K, tagged it, tagged it, tagged it, moved down, tested it, pulled down, tagged this one, moving up. This is a great entry here. I know this is 7 p.m. last night, but I wanted to show you how we trade off the prints. And if you watched my webinar on April 10th, we discussed this both on the daily chart and on the intraday for trading. And this is a fantastic setup. Moving up. So we've come up, tagged this print, moved back. We're holding this S3 and starting to move back up, right? So we're going to be bullish above 405, target 407.50, 410, 414.93 here is this S2. Then we've got 414.93, 417.16. Right here is a cam, and that's my 200 exponential moving average right there. We've got 420, 422.50, and 424.73, which is this S1 coming up here. So this here would probably be a little bit more resistance at my 200 exponential, 200 simple, and the double pivot there on the upside. Now on the downside, we're going to be bearish below 398. Let's get below this S3, target 397.50, 395, 390.91. That's what I pointed out here as holding. Then we've got 387.50, 381.21, which is this S4. 374.14 is this 215K. 370, 364.35 is S5 on that one. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Reddit. Okay, so this one took right off. Look at look at this one. We'll do the same thing. Going back 60 days, we see prints back here. This is March 5th. So we have this consolidation of prints. We pulled back, swept back up, pulled back again, new prints. Look at this one here. Then we came back and broke above the print again, and then through the prints, and we're snaking through that. We came up to a high here about 169. This is the key point, because we came back and held this print. So we had this is support, this is support. So we came back and we held this right here, and then into earnings we've just absolutely shot up. So it looks like they've been snaking in to add to their position, and then now that we have earnings, we're up here on my 200 exponential moving average on the daily. So this one is already up $22.46. Its ATR is $8.12. So let's go ahead and look at this. Oh, it's already above my bullish above. I was mapping this up here and said 168. Let's do 170. Target 174.18, and then we've got 177.50, 180, 185, and 190 on that one. So yeah, this one seems to be on fire a little bit, and then we're going to be bearish below 164 150. Let's get below here, target 160.56. Down here, I've got my 50 simple moving average here, about 163. We just be careful of that. 160.56, 158 is this 392K. Then we've got 154.22 and 153.75, and my 200 exponential on the 5-minute as well. This would be a massive support that's going on there. Then I've got 153.75, 150.49 is R1 all the way down here. So yeah, this one seems to be moving up already pre-market on there. So there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. And yeah, if you want to watch the webinar that I did April 10th, where I was explaining these prints and day trading and swing trading with the dark pools, you can go to my YouTube channel, or you can check out mobyticktrading.com/help and look at the webinars there. All right. Happy trading, everyone. We'll see you Monday with all new trade setups. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.